Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the dust error in Trust Wallet. So first off, we'll need to understand what the dust error actually is. So the dust error it refers to a tiny amount or coins or tokens. So amount that's smaller than the extra fee needed for sending it becomes practically unspendable. So for example, when you're sending PTC, and for example, PTC takes about a 0.0001 cut, right? And if you send a 0.001 cut, then when it's actually sent, there's nothing left there, right? So it's gone. That's the toss error. Basically, you're sending too little. So to fix the error, you just have to enter in, like from the Trust Wallet section here, you just have to go to send and then PTC, type in your address, and then just type in a larger amount. If you don't have a larger amount, then you will have to wait and then get a larger amount of BTC and then send it, or you can try finding another network that have less admin fees than the current one, which is Trust Wallet. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.